Hello guys! Welcome back to her YouTube channel. I'm here again para mag-invade ng kanyang YouTube channel. So, please keep on watching.
So guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm here again with my sister Margaux. Say hi!
Annyeong!
So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung mga previous videos naming dalawa na gumagawa kami ng mga makeup looks, I will put all the links here below the description box. By the way guys, dahil Christmas ngayon, Merry Christmas! And for this content, syempre gagawa na naman kami ng another makeup look and it's a Christmas makeup look. So, without further ado guys, keep on watching and let's get started. Oops! Wait lang! Don't skip this video dahil at the end of this video, may a-announce ako sa inyo. So, keep on watching guys! our final Christmas look, and I hope na nag-enjoy kayo habang pinapanood nyo yung paggawa namin ng eye look namin. And hindi na namin binuo yung aming full face na video dahil matatagalan kayo, and alam ko na mabuboard kayo pag binuo pa namin yung full makeup session namin. So ayan, ito yung nagawa kong eye look, and nag-cut crease ako, and then naglagay ako ng parang touch ng Christmas lights dito, and then naglagay din ako ng parang Christmas leaves. Ayan, tapos yung naglagay ako ng touch ng green and red dahil yun naman talaga yung spirit ng Christmas, green and red, yung color ng Christmas. And ayan, ito si Margaux, yan yung nagawa niya. Explain mo yung nagawa mo.
Nagdagdag lang ako ng mga cherries dito sa may dulo. Sa aking eyeliner na may green glitters. Yun lang.
Very busy kasi itong kapatid ko, so kaya ngayon lang din siya nakapag-guest. Wow, guest! Nakapag-guest dito sa aking YouTube channel. And kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung iba naming previous videos na kasama ko siya, you can check out here, and I will put the links below the description box. And also guys, ayan, so ito nga yung nag-look namin. And yan, dito sa lips ko, naglagay ako ng lip gloss para mas may touch ng holiday look, diba? Ganun yung mga holiday glam look. So yun, si Margaux yan, very minimalist yung nagawa niya. And ito na nga guys, ito na yung pinaka-hinihintay nyo. So ito yung announcement ko. I'll be having a mini giveaway. Bakit mini? Kasi mini lang siya ngayon for now kasi hindi ko pa afford yung bongga na giveaway. So, ayan, it's my way lang na of giving thanks sa inyo, giving back to you for all your support to me. Kaya, actually, dapat for 500 subscribers ko to. Pero, since wala pa naman ako 500 subscribers, ay naisip ko na good timing din naman to dahil Christmas season. So, ayan. So, I've decided na magpa-mini giveaway na sa inyo. So, the mechanics will be posted on my Instagram account. And after I publish this video, magpo-post na ako ng picture doon, and doon yung makikita yung mga mechanics. And also, I will also put it on my Facebook account. So, kung hindi nyo pa ako friend or pina-follow sa aking mga social media accounts, follow me at naomilexa_ and also on my Facebook. I will put the links below the description box. So, I hope na mag-participate kayo guys, and ayan, I hope na tinapos nyo tong video na to at hindi kayo nag-skip. And thank you so much for always supporting me and for always watching my video. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas po sa lahat ng family namin, relatives, and friends. And I hope na naging merry and joyful yung Christmas nyo, and just stay safe guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below for more updates. Once again, this is Xandra and this is Margaux. Follow her on her social media accounts. Merry Christmas! Bye! Merry Christmas!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you